Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Obviously, if you're returning Sabi, oh my god, literally, you're the best. Thank you. So this week, just had a few coffee dates and I attempted kizomba. At that part, I will not let you see because it was looking like a whole seizure moment. So anyway, we move regardless. So coffee, kizomba, and I also got a new blonde wig. I got this wig from Dubois and I was dying for you guys to see it. So it's actually blonde, the color. It's curly, not entirely straight, it's slightly curly, slightly straight, so it's a combination of both. It's also, I think it's 20 inches if I'm not wrong, height wise. And then yeah, I got it from Dubois, and yeah, but I'm dying to show you guys, so let's get into the video. And don't forget to obviously like, share, comment. So guys, this is basically the end of the video. This is the wig. I just brushed it up a bit. For me, I like it. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about it and which new color we should try out, because we tried ginger and we also tried redhead. So let's see where the journey takes us. Anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment obviously, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time, bye.